You open your Revolut app, and instead of your balance, you see a message, account restricted. Panic mode engaged, right? It's a frustrating situation that many Revolut users face, whether it's a temporary freeze or a full restriction. But before you start stressing about your money, you need to understand why this happens and exactly what steps to take. Revolut, like any regulated financial institution, has strict security and compliance requirements. They don't lock accounts just to be difficult. It's typically for one of three main reasons: security, compliance, or simply missing information. On the security side, it could be their automated system flagging a suspicious login, an unusual transaction, or a large transfer that's out of the ordinary for your account. They're essentially putting a pause button on your money to prevent fraud. On the compliance side, it often comes down to incomplete or outdated documents. Things like an expired ID, a need to verify your source of funds for a large deposit, or missing tax information can all trigger a lock. Revolut needs this current information to comply with Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. So, how do you fix it? The key is to be proactive and follow their procedures exactly. Step 1. Check the app in your email. The first thing you must do is open the Revolut app. They will almost always provide an in-app prompt or a notification explaining the next steps and requesting any necessary documents. They'll also often send a corresponding email. Look for requests to upload an updated ID, a proof of address, or a document to verify the source of a recent large deposit, like a payslip or an invoice. Step 2. Provide clear and valid documents. This step is crucial for a fast resolution. If you upload a blurry ID photo or an expired document, it will just send you back to square one. Make sure every document is clear, valid, and exactly what they asked for. Step 3. Contact support, but with patience. While providing the documents in-app is the priority, you may need to speak to a human. Navigate to the help section and use the in-app chat. Be patient. Customer support agents cannot manually unlock your account. That's handled by a specialized compliance or security team. Your job is to make sure you've given them every single piece of information they need. If you're a premium, metal, or ultra user, you may have access to a priority phone line, which can sometimes speed up the initial contact. The good news is that if you act quickly and provide the right information, temporary restrictions can often be resolved within a few hours to a few days. The delays usually happen when people ignore the prompts or upload incorrect documents. Ultimately, keeping your account unlocked is about maintaining clear communication and having your most important documents readily available. Treat your Revolut account like a traditional bank account, keep your details up to date, and be prepared to explain the source of any large or unusual transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.